Google Summer of Code is a program that offers student developers stipends to write code for various open source projects. Goals: create and release open source for everyone's benefit. Inspire young developers to contribute to open source development. Provide students with opportunity to do work related to academic pursuits. Give students more exposure to real-world software scenarios. Successful student contributors will receive a 5,500 USD stipend, enabling them to focus on their coding projects for 3 months. The program is done completely online as in the past. Students and mentors from over 100 countries have participated. For more information on applying for Google Summer of Code 2015, please visit www.google-melange.com. OpenMRS Medical Record System Principle: information should be stored in a way easy to summarize and analyze. Collaborative open source project to develop software to deliver healthcare in developing countries. Software platform and reference application which enables design of a customized medical record system with no programming knowledge. History with Google Summer of Code program. OpenMRS has been participating in Google Summer of Code as a mentoring organization for 8 years. 134 eligible proposals received from over 34 countries and 13 US states. Past star projects: Atlas Module 2.0, Google Summer of Code 2011, a way for implementation to easily create and maintain a marker in the OpenMRS Atlas. RigaDB integration. RigaDB is a database with the software tools to store clinical data related with HIV and HCV treatment. System performance and utilization module. It is an OpenMRS module to supply information on system performance and utilization in order to monitor reliability and impact of the electronic medical record system installation. Eligibility for Google Summer of Code. Participant must be a student enrolled in post-secondary school program or college, university, master degrees, PhD. Participant must not be directly involved with the Google or have a family member who does so. OpenMRS applicants must have made at least one coding contribution to the organization before applying. Successful applicant: to become an active contributor in the OpenMRS community right away. Read the GSOC student guide to get familiar with the program. Create an OpenMRS ID and use the personal space in the wiki to talk about yourself. Join the mailing list, IRC channel and developer forums to meet with other community members and interact. Install OpenMRS to get familiar wiki how the software works.